Rice paper pillow mochi, healthiest way, and that is voting day special. Stay tuned.
Hello, welcome to Madhurima's Kitchen. So I'm live from Madhurima's Kitchen Facebook page, and also I'm live from Madhurima's Kitchen Instagram page. So today is 29th of April 2026. So this day is very memorable for everybody right now, at least in Kolkata and some part of West Bengal, because this is the voting day for us. So election 2026, আমি বাংলাতে বলছি। তো আমি যাদবপুরে থাকি, আমার ওয়ার্ড হচ্ছে 96 ওয়ার্ড, অ্যান্ড ইয়েস আই গিভ দ্য ভোট। সো হিয়ার ইট ইজ। আই ডোন্ট নো যে এরকমভাবে কেন লাগালো। এনিওয়ে, সো ভোট আমি ডেফিনেটলি দিতে যাই। তো অনেক তাড়াতাড়ি যাই। উইদিন 7:30 আই রিচ উইথ মাই পেরেন্টস। মা আর বাবা আমি মিলে আমরা গেছিলাম আমাদের বাপুজি নগর যেটা আছে, সেখানে আমাদের অলওয়েজ ভোটের বুথ যেটা ওখানে পড়ে। তো ওখানে আমরা গেছিলাম। দ্য গুড থিং ইজ দ্যাট যে এবার আমাদেরকে দোতলায় যেতে হচ্ছে না, একতলাতেই ভোটটা হয়েছে। দ্যাট ওয়াজ রিয়েলি ভেরি গুড। অ্যান্ড উইদিন 8 AM 7:30 AM আমরা গেছিলাম, অ্যান্ড উইদিন 8 AM আমরা বাড়ি ফিরে চলে এসেছি। অ্যান্ড দিস ইয়ার এভরিথিং ইজ ভেরি went very smooth. Even my mother has knee problem, so she always uses stick when she goes outside. So she's using a stick, and ওখানে যারা পুলিশ এরা ছিলেন নিজেরাই এসে বলেন কি যে আপনি এখানে বসুন। সো দ্যাট ওয়াজ রিয়েলি ভেরি নাইস। আমার বেশ ভালো লেগেছে, আর খুব স্মুথলি ব্যাপারটা হয়েছে, ভেরি ফাস্ট, ভেরি স্মুথলি। কিছু নতুন নিয়মও দেখলাম। অ্যান্ড ইয়েস, মোবাইল ইজ নট অ্যালাউড, যেটা আগেই বলা হয়েছিল ইলেকশন কমিশনের থেকে, যেটা বলে দেওয়া হয়েছিল। সো আই ডিড নট ক্যারি মাই মোবাইল। ইভেন আমি স্লিং পার্স নিয়েছিলাম, বাট আমাকে বলা হলো কিছু ওটা বাইরে রেখে আসতে। লেটার অন আই আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড যে কেন, কারণ আমার মা সেম পার্স নিয়েছিল, মাকে বাইরে রেখে আসতে বলা হয়নি। আমাকে বলেছে মানে এটা আমার মনে হলো যে অ্যাকচুয়ালি আমি একটা ছোট জলের বোতল নিয়েছিলাম ওটার মধ্যে। সো ইট লুকস ভেরি হেভি, বেশ মানে ভারী। হয়তো মেবি দে আর থিঙ্কিং যে ব্যাগ তো সার্চ করে না, তো মেবি দে আর থিঙ্কিং যে হয়তো হলেও হতে পারে যে মোবাইল। সো দে সেটকে আউটসাইডে ব্যাগ রাখতে, আমরা দেখছিলাম ওকে ফাইন, আমি সঙ্গে সঙ্গে ব্যাগ রেখে চলেছি। সো দিস থিং ইজ দ্যাট। অ্যান্ড ওয়াই আই এম লাইভ টুডে, বিকজ আমার 27th to 30th April ভোট স্পেশাল লাইভ চলছিল। বাই দ্য ওয়ে, আই লুক ভেরি টায়ার্ড বিকজ সরি, লাইভ চলছিল না, আমার পপ আপ চলছিল। আই এম ভেরি সরি ফর দ্যাট। সো পপ আপ ইজ গোয়িং অন। তো পপ আপে বিভিন্ন মেনু ছিল, বাট ড্যান্ডং স্টাইল ফ্রাইড রাইস, এগ ফ্রাইড রাইস অ্যান্ড বারবিকিউ চিকেন, দ্যাট ওয়াজ দ্য আমার 3টে মেনুর মধ্যে থেকে দিস ওয়াজ রিয়েলি আ হিট। সো আমি ফার্স্ট দিনেরটা শুধু ভিডিও অ্যান্ড রেকর্ড করতে পেরেছিলাম, ফার্স্ট দিনের ফার্স্ট হাফ, নট দ্য সেকেন্ড হাফ। So that is already shared in my Facebook, YouTube and Instagram also. So এখনো কালকের দিনটা বাকি আছে। That's why I look very tired, because every day আমাকে এটা উঠে বানাতে হচ্ছে, and I have to go for the vote. So I wake up at 4:35 AM. So that's it. And then I realized when the pop-up is going on, people can test my food. Then why don't they prepare a food during the voting day? So I thought it is a special day, so let's do something very special. So right now our recipe is going very viral, that is rice paper mochi. There is a twist. When I prepare that, there is a twist, because in this recipe some people commented over there. Comment বলতে একটা জিনিস আমার মনে পড়লো, I'll share it. যে রাইস পেপার মোচিতে অনেকে বলছে যে why you are doing that, we can have the yogurt and eat that. So why rice paper? It's not like mochi. Of course it is not like exactly the mochi, because I know how to prepare the mochi, and I prepared so many times the mochi I prepared. So this is the, you can say, rice paper. Even I am making it in a very easier way, that is rice paper pillow mochi. So you can make a pillow like that. It won't look like a proper mochi, I mean the round one. No, it's not like that, but the taste will be definitely good if you follow the recipe. And regarding the comment, I got a comment in YouTube. Somebody wrote that it seems that you love to show your face. Silly. Are of course you don't like my face, that is your problem, boss. So if you don't like my face, definitely skip my channel. Don't you have to look at me. Obviously some people like my face, somebody does not. So it's your choice. You can always ignore that. Why you are wasting time in that writing so much comment in one line? Haters can be there, so I cannot do anything. I cannot say like my face, like my face. Yes, I love my face. Everybody love their face. So when you are going through my channel, you can see that there is my face, there is my doggo's face, my friend's face, and my kitten, cat, that face is there. Even driver uncle, they are also there. So there are so many faces. So this is not about only I love my face. And by the way, that was my reel. So in this reel, definitely I'll show my face because I was doing a solo. Okay. So anyway, let's go for the cooking part. It's very easy and there will be some twist. So let's go for the twist. Just a second. See, it's rice paper pillow mochi I am going to prepare, and remember this date. This is a vote date. Very crucial for us, for all the Bengalis. And let me show you what I have. So this is what I have: cornstarch or corn flour. You need it, and that is the trick. You know what is that? You don't know. Let me tell you. So this is not yogurt. In this recipe you can see that with the rice paper people are using yogurt. The taste of the yogurt, many people, they don't like the yogurt taste. Even I don't like the taste, and moreover the yogurt is very costly. So that's why this is the simple dahi, and I made it hankard. You know how to prepare the hankard? It's very easy. Just keep a muslin cloth, or if you don't have, you can have chunni, and then keep this dahi, the normal dahi, any brand you can use, the thick dahi you can, the cutter one, just keep it there and keep it in freezer. And you have to have a bowl underneath so that the water will come out. So you will get the hankard. It is the not the soft like, not the rani one. So it will look like this. And then what I have, you can use any flavored jam. I'm using the blueberry. There is blueberry. There are blueberries inside the jam. I will show you. I'm using blueberry jam. You can use strawberry, gooseberry, any berry, mango also. And then I have rice paper. So rice paper, any brand you can. And yes, I prepared already some, so it will look like this, and taste will be yummy. So it was outside of freezer, that's why some dahi is coming out. So let's go for the recipe. Adjust it at first. This is the easiest recipe I have seen in internet, and it actually clicked. So hankard you can use. You don't have to think about in the recipe you can see yogurt. Somebody I mean most of the people are using yogurt, so that will be expensive. And in normal mochi, the actual mochi, you have to use cream. So I'll place the rice paper over here. Wait a second. I have plain water. You can dip it also, but I will brush some water. I won't dip it. You can do anything like brush some water or dip it. I am doing the shoot, that's why I am using in that way. So you have to wait for a couple of seconds basically, so that it will be softened. I have seen some people told me that can we use it raw. Yes, rice paper, it's versatile. Once you're adding some water, so you can have this rice paper. You can fry it, you can steam it, you can have it like this also. So it's really versatile. Do you remember I used rice paper, two three videos I did. So that rice paper, I bought some rice paper and I have that. So I'm preparing so many, like one time you can buy the rice paper and then you can prepare many more recipes with that. So I have to wait some more time. it will be totally transparent, means your rice paper is ready and soft. So rice paper is normally it is like crispy one, so if I want to fold it, it will break. That's why we have to wet this rice paper so that we can fold it. And back side. And the rice paper is already done. And now I need 2 spoons. First thing, so the hang card is there. And then, oh, my mother also love it. I'm very happy when my parents love it. So let me show you the jelly. So this is the blueberry, and you can see these are the teeny blueberries. These are the teeny blueberries, jam and blueberries. So any brand you can use. I can use Manama brand. I got this Manama brand, so I'm using. And so that's it. And then I will fold it. It will look like a pillow. That's why I said it's a pillow mochi. Seal it. And it's done. And now the crucial part. So once it is done like this, you have to dust with the corn flour. I was showing it to you. So once you dust in the corn flour, if you don't dust it, it will stick. So you have to dust in the corn flour, and after that you have to keep this in deep freezer for at least 20 minutes. And after that you can keep this in the normal freezer. So now it's time for dusting. Mochi, in mochi also, when you are preparing the normal mochi, that in that also rice flour is using. We use rice flour, so that's why that time also we need cornstarch so that it won't stick. And don't worry, you can eat it. It will absorb this corn flour. And I have to keep it in freezer, and I am showing you the one I already prepared. Once it is done, it will look like this only. So let me show you. Once it is done, it will look like this. So this is sweet and little bit of sour. It's really yummy. And yes, it's not that chewy, and rice paper is neutral. It doesn't have any kind of taste. That's why you can have this rice flour. You can use this rice flour so very easily, and it's not costly. You are preparing the rice flour mochi. If you want to make the round one, you can make it round one also. So in some other video I will show you. So that's it for this, and let's talk to me right now. Okay, here you go. So this rice flour pillow mochi is done, and the voting day special recipe cooking is done. So hope you like this recipe and you will try it at home. And as I said, with the hang curd you can prepare with mango. This is a summertime mango you can use, but tarmooj or watermelon, it doesn't go well. You can use mango, strawberry or blueberry jam. If you want to go for the fresh food, you can always use mango. And strawberry, yes, for the fresh food you can use strawberry, but don't use banana, it doesn't taste good. And for the jam you can use strawberry or blueberry is really very good. So this is it. And I am planning to do a live, another special vote special, that will be the result, 4th May, I guess. So I'm trying to do a live on that day. I know you all will be busy to see which party won, will win, so you will be busy on that. So in that time I will prepare something so that whoever, I mean, you can support any party, so you can celebrate your win with that recipe. What say? So I'm going to enjoy this dessert. So thank you for watching Madhurima's Kitchen, Facebook and Instagram. So from Google or Facebook Madhurima's Kitchen, you can place order to me, and you will get this recipe after a month from this date in Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. So till then, bye bye.